How you going to do a fire alarm install if you have no idea where to even buy fire alarm equipment at in the first place? So the vendor guys there to help you, to show you where you open these accounts up and how you can get yourself $100,000 in vendor credit so you can always buy equipment, turn it over, and repeat the process. So some of the vendors that we work with is ADI. ADI is a good resource for all the low voltage equipment when it comes to fire alarm, cameras, card access, and even home security systems. The next one is Wesco and NIcet. This is also a great place. They sell similar to ADI, but they're on the NAPCO side of things. ADI is the Residio side of things, and Wesco and NIcet is the NAPCO side of things. And lastly, you can also register yourself with Honeywell Firelight. They have good resources to train you when it comes to all of their fire alarm and security products. The ones you could actually buy over the counter, not the big panels like the Notifier or things like that. No, you will definitely have access to the Firelight systems, the Silent Night systems, and all of the smaller panels that Honeywell actually sells. So there are three common struggles I faced as a fire alarm contractor when I was actually trying to find a fire alarm manufacturer that I could find to back me so I could sell their equipment and install their system. And the second thing is not understanding the payment terms. A lot of these vendors will give you 60 days, sometimes even 90 days, because they will work with you and they understand how sometimes government clients pay. Sometimes you may take 4 to even 6 months to getting paid. So as long as you keep open communication, you will always have a line of credit with your vendors. And lastly, not understanding how to really establish credit, not separating business from your personal credit, not understanding that you need to start off using your personal credit to actually strengthen up your business so your business can stand on its own. So I want you to download the one-page vendor cheat sheet so you can understand the steps you need to take to actually gain $100,000 in vendors credit. Now, this is step number 5 inside of the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. This is a 9-step course that's going to teach you how to start, grow, and operate a fire alarm company coming from an actual fire alarm company. So if you're ready to take the next step, click the link in my description, get on a phone call. In 30 minutes, we'll see where you at, how we can help you, and to see if you're a good fit for the vendor guide. I'll catch you on the other side.